Yo, what's up, potatoes? Welcome to brand new video and a grand welcome to Aalu Fries. And in this video, I'm gonna watch Hala AL Turk's another music video, and this would be my third music video of Hala AL Turk's. The first two were happy birthday to you. I really enjoyed cute little girl, and the next one I have enjoyed a bit more. Was Mama, something like that. Wait, I'll read the title for you. Yeah, El Habuba, something like that. Yeah, and the another singer was a lady, Mashale, something like that. Yeah, Mashale. Yeah. I really enjoyed those two videos, and yeah, uh, I like the cute girl. So her voice, especially her smile. Yeah. So I thought of checking another wonderful video. Hopefully this time this video would entertain more than those two videos. So enough of talking, guys. Let's jump into this video. I know it looks, whenever a cute girl, cute boy do these things, it look more, you know, more lovely. But when those childish things are done by a man like me, it doesn't look good. But still, I just want to entertain you folks. I don't want to watch the video just by sitting, okay. So I want to entertain you guys. So Zan Zan. What does that Zahgana mean? Dana, dana. Dana, dana, dana. Oh, okay. She's singing for her mom. Okay. Her brother. Yeah. Her mom is always doing something. No. Okay. Okay. What does that mean? On the placard. Zahgana. You are bored. Okay. Zahgana means bored? Okay. Okay, because mom is doing her work, dad is doing his own work. Okay. Go to playground. Go to play with other children. That's how the childhood becomes more and more beautiful. Nah. Oh, she's leaving. Wow, nice editing. Got it. Oh my god, this is funny. Hala AL Turk, she's like the lovely kid I have seen in the music video. So yeah. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any other music video suggestions, please do drop them in the comment section below. I'd definitely love to check them out. And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Until then, keep running the peace. Zahgana. I'm thinking that Zahgana means bored. So that's the reason why I would be checking some other Arabic music videos, because I started like loving Arabic music. I already love the Arabic music, but recently I started watching more and more Arabic music videos.